Hi there, my name is Nick, and today I will show you how to download Pocket Pixel on your PC or laptop. So as you know, this game now available only for Android devices, and unfortunately now you can just type in the search box Pocket Pixel download and install it on your PC. But I have a way how you can easily do it. So to do it, you firstly need to install an Android emulator. You can easily install it, just type LD Player download. So LD Player is an Android emulator. You can download another emulator, for example BlueStacks. That's how it looks like, or Mumu emulator, or another one. But I will show you how to do it on LD Player, because this is one of the best Android emulator for PC. Now just go to their official website and install it on your PC. You can easily download it just by clicking on this button, and now at the top right you'll see the installer. Run it and download this file on your personal computer. And after that, just launch LD Player 9. Okay, and this is what you'll see. Now you need to click on the System Apps folder at the top left and open Play Store, because you can easily download this game from Play Store, or just go to Chrome and install an APK file from browser. But I advise you to open Play Store and install this game from here, because this way is more convenient. So let's now type here Pocket Pixel, and here you'll see this game, Pocket Pixel. Let's install it. Just click on this button. Now this game is very popular, and I think this video will be helpful for a lot of people. Finally, the game is installed. Now let's launch it. And you can see for yourself that the game works on my PC. Let's click on allow. And this is what it looks like. Everything works correctly. Let's select the necessary language, English in my case. Here's the notice, and now I need to log in. And now I finally can start playing this game. So it was a short video about how you can easily play Pocket Pixel on your PC or laptop. If it was helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you, bye bye.